What is going on, everyone? I am Awais, and today I'm kind of reviewing what data nerds at New Relic sent me, this data nerd swag. So let's just dive in. First of all, there's this prop thingy that says data nerd. You already kind of see the tee I'm wearing, the data nerd tee. I think this might glow at night. I haven't checked, but this is a cool thing to have. And then there is this data nerd sticker, which is going to wait for my new laptop. And then there are socks. Cool-headed data nerd deserves bum toast. Well, you guessed it right. Winter is coming. So these are pretty fun. And then there is a letter from New Relic. It says, these days, the world is filled with unknowns. But that's never stopped you. Face unknowns every day and never stop questioning, solving, and creating amazing software. Thanks a lot, folks from New Relic. Pretty awesome. A couple of years ago, I wouldn't believe what I'm going to say. But the thing I'm most excited about is this mask, faceware. From what I believe is pronounced as Chico bag. It's a reusable mask that can replace 547 single-use masks. And it looks pretty cool. See, stay at home. I'm not sure if you can see this. Stay at 127.0.01. This is pretty awesome. I believe it's also going to look awesome with this tee. I'm going to go ahead and try it. Oh, I think it's looking pretty awesome. So this is about it. I have been using New Relic for about a decade, I think from 2011. It's a full stack observability platform or infrastructure monitoring. It can basically monitor anything in your app from monolithics to your serverless functions. And you can kind of get this telemetry on what is performing how and which function you can optimize or what not. You can basically optimize your entire infrastructure. So you get entire application monitoring, distributed tracking, infrastructure monitoring. And the coolest thing is the serverless monitoring, which I use more often than not. So if you end up with a bug in your app, if your app is performing slowly, definitely go ahead and check out New Relic. And that is pretty much about it from my end. I'll see you in a bit. Peace.